So I looked it up again and I'm actually paying 90 bucks a night for that hostel. I was just willing to spend a little bit extra to have all the food and everything like that, but damn, that's expensive. Bon dia, amigos and amigas, and another beautiful morning here in Cozumel. But unfortunately this morning we have to keep going, we have to move on back to Playa del Carmen and then find my way to Tulum. So I've had my breakfast, actually had a dirty hot dog from 7-Eleven. If we're running out of money, that's the place to get cheap food, only 24 pesos. And this morning I am catching the 11 o'clock boat, which should be coming soon. And to go back and forth from Playa del Carmen and Cozumel, there's two boats you can catch, Windjet and what's the name? Windjet and Ultramar, yes. So there are two boats, Windjet and Ultramar. I'm going with Windjet because they were 50 pesos cheaper doing a round trip, so it costs 350 pesos. Don't ask me why, they're right next to each other and one's 50 pesos cheaper. But yes, as you can see behind me, Cozumel is a pretty nice island. Definitely didn't do enough while I was there for my one full day. But you can rent a motorbike here and just explore around the entire island. This town here is only a small part of it, and it's a pretty big island, so if you had time, about another day, then I would have spent it going around and just driving wherever all at the back and adventuring around. But yes, sun is shining, bought my magnet, having my chocolate, so feeling good and I'm good to go. 44 pesos for a bus ticket from Playa del Carmen to Tulum. And ADO bus station, ADO is the key. Most common bus company throughout Mexico. And we have now made it into Tulum. Sun is burning and nice looking little town, just a short, less than an hour bus ride from Playa del Carmen. So now I'm just in the middle of town. The main bus station is just behind me, but I didn't realize just how far my hostel is from town. Check this out. Now I don't really know why my hostel is 3.2 kilometers from town, but that is way too far to walk. Alright guys, and we are off to see the beaches of Tulum. The hostel I'm staying at is actually an all-inclusive hostel, so it includes like buffet food, breakfast, lunch and dinner. As you saw, there was a big lobby where you could hang out, and I didn't realize how much I was paying for that hostel. I was like, oh, this is pretty good value for a hostel all-inclusive. Even this bike is included, some day tours. And each day they have a tour to a different place, which is also included, so you don't have to pay anything extra. And also all the drinks, alcoholic drinks even, is included. So I looked it up again and I'm actually paying 90 bucks a night for that hostel, which is damn expensive for a hostel. I don't know what I was thinking. Maybe I was just willing to spend a little bit extra to have all the food and everything like that, but damn, that's expensive. So I'm gonna make the most of it, use everything and eat there all the time, rather than eating out until the end of my trip, and yeah, just make the most of what I paid. So this afternoon we're just checking out the ruins in Tulum. If you look at Tulum online, search it and Google it up, this is what you'll see in all the photos. So this is where we'll spend the evening or the sunset at least. We'll get Mav up and hopefully we see some amazing things. Alright, just after a short bicycle ride, I've made it to the beaches of Tulum, and now I am in Playa Paraíso, aka Paradise Beach, and beautiful beach mate. He's enjoying himself, and yeah, this place is known for the awesome looking palm trees behind me, short little ones, which gives this place a nice, unique touch to it, and also for the white sand. It's a little bit windy this afternoon, but that ain't gonna stop me. I'm only gonna be here once, so I'm gonna take Mav up. Kind of reminds me a little bit of Perhentian Islands in Malaysia, where I went for my birthday. You know, just a nice little beach like this, similar vibe, but a lot less people. But yeah, that was quite a long time ago, and let's not go there. I'm not sure if you could tell, but I'm looking a little bit more tanned than the start of my trip, which is good. And I'm a bit sunburnt on my back. I felt it this morning. I put my bag on and I'm just like, my back. And I was thinking, where the hell did I get sunburnt? And I realized I just did the snorkeling trip yesterday. So, yep, that's where it happened. But yes, enough yapping for me. Since I can't go to the ruins, I'm really keen to take Mav up. So let's stop wasting time and let's go take her up. Alright guys, so there you have it, beaches of Tulum. The sun's just setting behind me there and people are moving out, so I think it's time to go. I was too chicken to get in, didn't really want to get wet, so I'm a little bit fussy like that. But, hey, Viva Mexico! But I think that's it for me for today. I think all I'm going to do is just go back to the hostel and pig out and then have an early sleep. But tomorrow is going to be a big day. It's going to be my last full day here on my holiday before I start making my way back home. And I think I'm gonna go check out some cenotes. Spend the whole day doing it on my own, checking out 3 or 4 cenotes. So I've been in one, but I haven't swam in one, you know, like since I've been on the coast of Mexico. So definitely something I have to do before I go. And no better thing to do on my last day than that. Alright guys, thanks for joining me, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow.